Hello, welcome to Kids Quest. Today we'll be making super bouncy balls. You will need 1/2 cup warm water, 1 tablespoon borax, 1 to 2 tablespoons clear or glitter Elmer's glue. So you'll need your bowl. You'll put in your 1/2 cup of warm water. Then you're going to put 1 tablespoon borax. I would suggest that you kind of put a little bit in at a time. This helps it not take quite so long to dissolve and you won't end up with clumps. We just kind of like put all of ours in at once on a couple different batches and it just kind of turned to big chunks in the bottom. So you'll need to stir this for about 20 seconds. You're just looking for it to be dissolved, no big clumps. And once that's all dissolved, then you're going to put your glue in. So how much glue you put in will make how big your bouncy ball is. So if you want to have like, kind of running low here. So if you want to make a huge bouncy ball, you're going to need more glue. If you want to make a smaller bouncy ball, then you don't need quite as much. So I'm going to wait for a little bit more to come out here. Or not. So we're just going to use what we have here. And you're going to get the borax all over the glue. All right, as soon as it is not sticky anymore, I would suggest that you set it down for a second and dry off your hands really well. You can also use gloves for this if you'd rather, just so that if your hands are kind of sore from hand sanitizer or washing them so much, then just use some gloves if you have some. So you're going to just roll it into a ball and you'll roll for a good 5 minutes before it gets nice and firm. But as you can tell here, it's already firming up. It's already bouncing a little bit. But the rounder that you get is the less crazy bouncing that you'll have. Here is the one that we used before, that we made before. It's quite round, it works really well, it's super bouncy, and it's a lot of fun. So I would suggest that you wait a good 20 minutes before you bounce it on the table, and then about a good 4 hours before you really slam it down on the ground. So there you have it, super bouncy balls. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you make some bouncy balls at home.